learn simple equations, okay? How to solve simple equations and get it very easy and fast, okay? Okay, let me come on immediately. So how do I say we solve simple equations?
So first of all, you have to find. So you have to simplify it.
Yeah.
So like, if you have a question like 2x, so 2x plus you simplify your x's together, simplify your numbers together. That should give you your answer. So,
Okay, then let's start immediately, okay?
okay.
Okay. So
Two,
you can see the board now, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's continue. It's nice having you here today once again. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So let's start. Our today's class is simple equation, okay?
Okay.
Okay. How do we solve simple equations? We simply solve simple equations by collecting, mostly by collecting of like terms, okay? So let's say we are told to solve 5x minus 9 is equal to 2x plus 15, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, for us to solve this type of problem, it is very, very easy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what do we do to solve it?
So what you do, you 5x minus 9.
Okay,
Because like
all you need to do
what you
is
do,
to have your solution, okay?
yeah.
If you have your solution, we have 5x minus 9 is equals to 2x plus 15, okay?
Okay.
So,
So what you do, you bring your 2x
so,
over your over the
so you have to do what? Add 9 to both sides. We are collecting like terms. We need 5x to be on its own. So if you add 9 to both sides, here we are going to also add 9 here. Okay? Okay? So minus 9 plus 9 is what?
minus 9 plus 9.
What is minus 9 plus 9?
0.
Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. And that's 5x is equals to, we have 2x here. 15 plus 9 is what? What is 15 plus 9?
24.
15 plus 9 is 24. So we have it as plus 24. So here we still have 5x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, since we still have 5x here, we still have 2x here. So we can simply add 2x to both sides. Okay, and this is equals to, we add 2x here too. Okay?
Okay.
So if you add 2x to both sides, what do you get? You have it as, you subtract, subtract, I made a mistake, subtract. Okay, here you have it as 3x, you are left with only 24, right?
Yeah.
So for you to get the value of x, you just divide by 3 and divide by 3. Okay?
Okay.
So when you divide by 3, what do you have?
X equals.
What is 24 divided by 3? What is 24 divided by 3?
The answer will be 8.
24 divided by 3 is 8. So the answer to this particular problem is 8. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to write it on the board, write it and let me know. So this is very simple. It's a simple way of finding simple equation. You should be fast. Okay. Uh, ZB Bites, thank you for joining. Okay. William Graves, thank you so much. Okay. Please like the live. Okay. Please support me by liking the live. It will go a very long way to helping me. Please support me by liking the live, please. Okay. We are just learning simple equations, how to solve simple equations. Okay. It's very, very easy. Please like the live. Okay. Like the live. Share to your friends. Okay, this is how to solve. You see, first thing we did, we added 9 to both sides just to collect like terms. Okay. After adding 9 to both sides, what do we do next? We notice that minus 9 plus 9 is 0, so 9 is out. So the next thing we have is 2x plus 24. Okay. So on having that, you can now see we subtracted what? We subtracted uh, we subtracted uh, we subtracted 2x from both sides. After subtracting, we are now having 3x to be equal to what? 3x to be equal to what? 24. So for us to get the value of x, it's simple. We just divided both sides by what? 3. So if you divide 24 by 3, what do you get? You get your answer to be 8. So this is very, very easy. It is very, very easy to do. So this is it. So let's try the next one together. Are you done? You should be fast, okay? You should be fast, okay?
I'm done.
Okay. So let's look at the next example we have. Let's look at 6x plus 4 is equals to 2x plus 24. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for us to solve this, this is very, very simple. Okay? What do you do to do? First thing, we collect like terms. So here we have 4, and we want to take the numbers to the other side of the equation. And for us to do this, what do? We have to take away 4, okay?
Okay.
So if you take away 4, what are you getting? You have it as 6, you have it as what? Take away 4 from here, and take away 4 from here. So that 4 minus 4 will be out, okay? So when you take away 4, what do you have left? You have it as 6x is this, and this is equals to, the next one is 2x, then 24 minus 4. What is 24 minus 4?
24 minus 4, 20.
24 minus 4 is what? Plus 20. Okay. The next thing we have to collect like terms is the 2x, okay?
Okay.
So how do we collect like terms of 2x? We just have to do what? Subtract 4 from both sides, okay? So
Yeah.
you subtract 2x from both ends, minus 2x and minus 2x, okay?
Okay.
So if you do that, what do you have here? 2x minus this will give you 4x, and that's equals to, this one is now 0. You are having what? 20, okay?
Okay.
So when you get 20, what is the next step you have to do? What's the next step? You divide. So you divide here by the coefficient 4, and you divide here by the coefficient 4, right?
Yeah.
So if you divide 20 by 4, what is 20 divided by 4? What is 20 divided by 4? What is 20 divided by 4? 20 divided by 4 is 5. So you see that x is equal to 5. Okay? So x is actually 5. This is very simple. We are trying to solve simple equation where the variable is always on both sides of the equation. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is exactly simple. So the value for x here is actually 5. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Are you done writing? Let me know. Are you done writing? Are you done?
No.
Okay. So this is very, very simple, okay? Omar, thank you for joining. What's really? You said, bro, really? Yes, yes, this is how we solve simple equation involving variables on both sides of the equation. As I said earlier, first thing you do is to collect like terms.
Yeah, Uncle, I'm done.
Okay, so let's look at the next example. Okay, let's look at the next example. We are told to solve. We have 8x minus 6 is equals to 20 minus 2x. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so how can we solve this type of problem? It's very, very easy. It is, Umar, it's not difficult. Just follow a bit, you are going to get it. Okay? Okay, so that's how we do it. So here we have solution. Look at this. We have it to be 8x minus 10 is equals to 20 minus 2x. Okay?
Okay.
So this is very, very easy to do. What do? First thing you have to do is to do what? Add 10 to both sides. Okay? If you add 10, you are actually collecting like terms. So that this term, 10 plus minus 10 plus 10 is 0, you know? So 10 is out. Okay? So we have it that 8x is equals to 10 plus 20 is 30 minus 2x. Okay? Okay? Okay. So what do when you have that? You just have to add 2x. We need this to be out here. 2x. We add 2x. Okay? If you add 2x here, what do you get? 8x plus 2x is what? What is 8x plus 2x?
10x.
8x plus 2x is what? 10x. Okay? Okay? Are you getting me? Yeah, you have it as 10x is equals to 30. Okay? Okay, since 10x is equals to 30, we divide by 10 and divide by 10. If you divide by 10, x is just 3. Okay? Okay, x is just 3. Okay? Okay, so I want you to write it and let me know. So that's the easiest way to solve this problem. Uma, where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from, okay? 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 Let me know where you're watching from, okay?
Yeah, Uncle, I'm done.
Okay, what do you get,
Yeah,
please?
Uncle, I'm done.
Okay, good. Let's go to the next example, okay?
Okay.
So as I said earlier, this is very, very easy to do. Let's say we are told to solve 3x minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 3. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, to solve this is very, very, very easy. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you do when you are trying to solve this? It is very, very simple. Okay? What you need to do is you have solution. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, if you have solution, we have it as 3x minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 3. First thing first, all you need to do is just simple. You just have to add 5 to both sides so that this one will be 0. We always like the number to be in the right side of the equation, okay?
Okay.
So let's do that together. So what do you have here? You add 5. What do you have here? Minus 5 plus 5 is what? What is minus 5 plus 5? What is minus 5 plus 5? What is minus 5 plus 5? Is what?
0.
Is 0. So this is out, and that's equals to 2x. So what is minus 3 plus 5? What is minus 3 plus 5?
Plus 2.
So you have it as what? Plus 2. Good. So the next thing we do is to do what? Subtract 2x from both sides, okay?
Okay.
So when you subtract 2x from both sides, what do you actually get? You are going to get 3x. We are subtracting 2x minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x is what? What is 3x minus 2x?
X.
What is 3x minus 2x?
X.
Okay, so you have it as x, and that's equals to 2. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the easiest way to do it, okay? It's very, very simple. So the value for x is actually 2, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is very easy. Let's continue. So let's look at the next one. We have 6x minus 9 is equals to 3x minus 18. Okay? And next thing we have to do. Okay, thank you, Soma Dila. Thank you for understanding it. Let's try this one together, okay? So what do? We have 6x minus 9 is equals to 3x minus 18. Okay? So first thing we have to do is very, very simple. Okay? Dila, thank you. What you have to do here is to add 9 to both sides. Add 9 to both sides so that we collect like terms, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, if you add 9 to both sides, what do you have? 6x. Minus 9 plus 9 is what? What is minus 9 plus 9?
0.
0. So this is out, and that's equals to, we'll bring down our 3x. What is minus 18 plus 9? What is minus 18 plus 9?
Minus 9.
Minus 18 plus 9 is minus 9. So the next thing we have to do is to subtract 3x, okay?
Okay.
So if you subtract 3x, what do you get? You have it as 6x, okay? We have it as minus 3x minus 3x. So 6x minus 3x is what? What is 6x minus 3x?
3x.
Okay, 6x minus 3x is what? 3x. And that's equals to, we only have minus 9, right?
Okay.
Good. So what do we do next? We divide through by 3, and we divide through by 3. So when you divide minus 9 by 3, what's the answer? Minus 9 divided by 3 is what?
Minus 3.
Good. Please like the life. Please like the life. Please like the life. Okay, you have it as minus 3. Okay. So you may need to write it, please. You may need to write it, please.
Okay.
So this is very, very easy to do. Okay.
Okay.
So write it fast. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you done?
No, yeah.
Oh, okay, good. So let's continue, okay?
Yeah, my.
What do you say?
No, that's it.
Who is talking to you?
It's your mom.
Oh, good, Emma.
Well done. I just came to check him.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Dila, what do you mean by something difficult? You need hard questions? You need hard questions? Do you need hard questions? Let me know in the comments, okay? Do you need hard questions? Let's go to difficult ones. It's very simple. Okay, we'll look at the hard questions soon, Dila. Okay, so let's go to the next one, okay? So we have understood how to solve this type of problems when the variables are on both sides of the equation, okay? Yeah, the next thing we have to understand is how to solve it when it involves brackets.